gonna say, yo, we at Animal Kingdom. She gonna say, oh, I thought we was going down. Like, what? God.
Who's driving this thing?
Hey,
Get out my video.
one of my best friends ever, and I didn't know she was just like.
You got $1,000. More than I'm gonna get a picture. What's up, everybody? We are on our way to, where are we on our way to?
Animal Kingdom.
We're on our way to Animal Kingdom. This morning we have a character breakfast at Tusker House. We get to see all the characters. We get to see Mickey, Minnie, I think Donald Duck, and Daisy. I don't know if Pluto is there. I can't remember. But yeah, y'all, that is where we are on our way to. We are on the shuttle bus. Getting ready to go. She's cold. She's talking about she wanted my sweater. I said, it's gonna be hot.
Wild places and wildlife is about to begin. Before you lies our wonder cherry dreams to the constant. Never know what we're here for as you become.
Right here. Good morning, welcome.
Good morning.
Good, how are you all today?
Good. Bruh, y'all, the vibe funny. Y'all funny. She funny. Oh my God. She gonna say, yo, we at Animal Kingdom. She gonna say, can I go see you, mama? I said, what you talking about? See me? The monkeys. She funny. She's so funny. Bro, I'm gonna get you back too. Y'all, look at the tree of life. It's the tree of life. It's so big and pretty. I don't know where it came from actually. I looked it up because I thought I was missing something, but I don't know. We get to go in early. So hello, Lisa. Say hello. Say hello.
No fans, no fans,
Everybody is sweating. I can record all I want to. Leave me alone. This is my vlog. I don't care. Y'all, we are going inside Tusker House for our character dining reservation.
Oh, yoy.
Thank you.
Oh, you're good.
It do. I know, I see Donald.
Where, Donald?
Right there. Donald there. Oh, I'm sorry. I just looked from behind. Doesn't matter. You got to sit right here. Like, what's that here? Like, that was weird. You acting like, never mind. No, you're not gonna have that attitude and be doing that.
Like that was big. Like it was.
So it was fun? Yeah.
It was hard.
Mickey's here.
don't even look good. When I would just take the chicken in the
We just came from eating at Tusker House with the characters. Our character Donnie. He coming?
So it's back that way.
He's back. Which way? We about to go to the Lion King show.
You're just hoping something.
Say hello.
I got my pictures with Mickey, but I didn't get a picture with Donald. I'm mad.
You didn't? Oh yeah, he came to the table when we got up for the food. All right, y'all. I got something to tell y'all later, but we're gonna talk about this.
Yeah. I'm gonna talk about that later.
We are on the way to the Lion King show.
Cause you keep on being slow.
She was being slow, putting them bubbles on.
It is time.
It's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Simone! Come on, you can make it! We can't have the celebration without you! Don't worry, friends. You'll be...
Hello, Puma! Look at me, running a parade.
It's your looking good!
We are now going to the safari to see the animals. These long wait times.
Jumbo.
Nabaya, show them your book. Oh, you already put in your backpack. Never mind. Don't take it out. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh, she got, it was like, how much was it?
It was $31 to $34.
Yeah, too expensive. 30 high. So we just waiting. Yes. Nabaya and her friend.
This person leads your party through the line. As we say in Harambe,
The word in the Sunday means thank you, and what we also like to say here in Harambe is Twende, which means let's go. Jumbo, everyone, my name is Manny, and I'll be your safari driver here at the Kilimanjaro Safaris. A few rules before we enter the reserve. We're going to remain seated at all times, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of this moving truck. As well as we are going to be entering the homes of these animals, so let's try to be respectful, keeping our voices low, as well as do not make any animal noises, whistling noises, loud cocking as a built-in radiator. Primary diet of brine shrimp. Brine shrimp carry a protein known as beta-carotene, which is what creates that pink coloring within their bodies. Not only are they going to be the...
are heading to Dino Land. I'm gonna try to get some ice cream, but I don't know. Depends on if I make it there.
Can you pay for the Fanta and I'll pay for my water, Mama? I'll pay you that.
You got $1,000 more than me.
Please don't tell nobody.
She got $1,000. It's about to be gone at Disney. That's why you can't bring black people nowhere. This is why you can't bring black people nowhere. They play like this man right here. I'm gonna play all day.
I need CPS on the line.
Call
CPS. That's all they're talking about. Call CPS.
Paprika, look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
You funny. You real funny. You trying to show out.
Hey, Paprika.
Get out my video.
One of my best friends ever. And I didn't know she was this dinosaur. We brought her to her land. And we're going to leave her here for eternity. And it is for the destiny of your future.
Get out my camera.
Hit me again. I'm going to.
I didn't even hit you. Move.
I promise you.
I do
Hey,
so.
remember I'm a funeral
Thank
director.
you.
What?
That's Nabaya. I was like, who is that? I thought I was tripping over something. Nabaya, you stay on that phone. Give it a break.
Hey, Mommy, I love you.
And
From the dinosaurs have been
Felicia.
to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become
Like get on a dinosaur ride. How y'all feel about the dinosaur ride?
I'm scared.
You scared? Why are you scared?
I'm kind of scared at the same time, too.
No, you ain't scared.
Because I don't do this kind of stuff.
I do. Sure do.
That's her.
Right, Let y'all back.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus,
Not our dino.
Leoramus, Hadrosaur,
That ride was crazy. What y'all think about the ride?
Hey, it was dope.
Man, I didn't know they was gonna do a drive, man. I was like, I was thinking about you in the back. I was like, oh man, she probably like regretting she got on the ride. Did you like the ride? I just thought about all kinds of stuff. Like, yeah, but I knew she was having fun. I knew she was fine.
I'm going to say the ride. I get a ride. I'm going to say I get a ride. Can I talk first?
Yes, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I give the ride like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? I give it a 10 out of 10. Like that ride.
Give it about 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. There ain't even no 11 out of 10.
They right here.
Who? Oh. What y'all getting? Oh my God.
Why my head had to be looking crazy.
Oh my God.
That is funny.
Look at our photo. Oh my gosh, I look fat. I look fat.
Oh, look, Bradley was holding my hand. Look.
Let me see.
I'm trying to grab him. Bradley was holding my hand.
That's crazy. What's the name of this?
$22.31. Oh, no, man.
Dang. Oh yeah, well, it'll be on your,
Welcome to Disney.
right? They high. $22 per. $22 for one picture. For this one. Dang, let me see mine.
Yeah, $28.
Oh, look at you. You were sliding.
Room for both of us?
Can I get a picture with my camera?
Yeah, of course you can. Of course, you're doing great. You're doing great.
I want to get a picture.
Right over here. Starting off right there. Yep. Starting off with your camera right over here.
Closer. Oh, well.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, wait, hold on. We are on our way to It's Tough to Be a Bug 4D showing. Y'all taking pictures? That was a good little show. Nobody said she was scared, but you liked it? Yes? Yeah? Yeah, they had the bugs like spitting on us, spray on us. It was just
And water.
and everything.
It wasn't me.
That was a good little 4D ride. I don't know where we going next,
Now
but
we'll go back to the hotel and get back to the pool. Oh, that's fun.
Ooh.
I heard that too.
Don't worry about it.
It's going slow right now.
Hey.
Yeah, for right now.
I'm about to get the most water. I feel it. I'm about to get the most water.
Don't say that, man. Oh, I thought we was going down. Like, whoa, no.
Don't jump the cabin down. That's expensive.
Oh, not so much.
Oh, shoot.
Don't worry about it. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Look.
Look, wait.
Look. Oh, that truck behind you. That truck behind you.
Oh, I didn't even notice
I
that.
didn't even get it out the mouth.
There we are.
Oh my God. What's up, you guys? We are sitting down to eat and we are about to get ready to leave on our last day at Animal Kingdom. I'm so sad. We gotta go back to Houston tomorrow. How you feel? I think she happy because she tired of walking and she hot. Her feet hurt, her legs hurt, mine do too. But yeah, y'all, we sitting down eating and this is what we got. We got the barbecue meat with the slaw and macaroni and cheese and this little pink drink thing. It's pretty good. What top with onion rings, but she ate her onion rings. How it taste? It's good?
We're gonna sit right here.
Alright. But yeah, y'all. What's up, you guys? We just made it back to the resort. Well, not too long ago. So we had just took a shower and we're getting ready to pack our bag, basically pack our suitcase to get ready to catch the shuttle back to the airport in the morning. This is a sad moment. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave Orlando. It's so freaking fun. But I will be back. But I think next I'm going to go on a cruise or to Universal Studios. Well, I am going on a cruise. But yeah. So yeah, you guys, Nevaeh's tired. She's inside the room. So, yeah. I'm basically closing out this video right now. I'm tired. My legs hurt. My ankles hurt. Everything hurt. My feet hurt. I was gonna go to the pool for the last time today, but I'm just tired. I'm so tired. But yeah, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because you don't know what you're missing. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog. And y'all have a very blessed, magical day.